Stood alone beneath the pouring sky, raindrops falling like a lullaby. Every streetlight blurred your face, but I still felt you in this place. I try to leave, I try to run, but every road leads back to us. Even now I hear you say, don't let go, just stay. I waited in the rain for you, through every storm I walked into. Even when you disappeared, I still felt you here. I was calling out your name, dancing in the endless pain. But if you came back tonight, I'd still say it's alright. Your shadow lingers in my mind like a love I left behind. Every word we couldn't say still echoes through the rain. I'm still standing where you left, holding on to what we had. If this love is truly gone, why am I still holding on? Why did you walk away from me when I was still your everything? I gave you all I had inside, but you just left me here to cry. If love was real, then tell me why it had to break, it had to die. I'm still right here, can't you see? I never left, you left me. I waited in the rain for you, through every lie I held the truth. Even when you turned away, I begged you to stay. I was drowning in your light, lost between wrong and right. But if you came back tonight, I'd still say it's all